If you don't know, Jennifer Corley is a close associate of Derek Finkbeiner by way of her husband. Her husband, Waylon, is a constable that was working under Sheriff Finkbeiner when Sheriff Finkbeiner was arrested. And Jennifer Corley has been a staunch supporter of Derek Finkbeiner through his arrest and literally everything. So this is what her post says. Language alert. Things have now escalated to threatening phone calls for me. I hope anyone who doesn't understand the gravity of what's going on in Hot Spring County will ask themselves why someone would go to so much trouble to silence a concerned citizen who is exposing corrupt current and former public officials. Many people have been on the receiving end of these tactics over the years here and end up fleeing the county. This happened 10 days before Christmas. I was on a field trip with my children when I received a call from a restricted number. There were 15 calls total from restricted over a 50-minute period, along with 3 voicemails. On the 14th call, I answered and recorded the conversation. The 15th call, I answered again, and suddenly they didn't have anything else to say. To the people who want to hurt me because I speak the truth and those who want to stop me from exposing corruption, you're going to be disappointed. And to the individual behind these harassing and threatening phone calls, I want you to know that even though you tried to terrorize and intimidate me, you didn't. I want you to know that even though you are a coward and did this anonymously because you think it somehow keeps you from the consequences of your actions, it doesn't. I want you to know that your phone calls have further contributed to my resolve to rid this place of the corruption that stains it and has forced so many good people to run and hide. I was recently warned by a longtime businessman in Malvern that these are the type of people that make you disappear. I have been well aware of that since investigating the corruption. It's a warning given by many who have lived here long enough. However, I won't be running. I won't be hiding. I won't sit down. I won't be silenced. And I certainly won't end up disappearing. It's actually quite the opposite. As God is my witness, I will be giving a voice back to the people who have been wronged. I will continue working to bring people like you to justice and working toward a positive future for Hot Spring County. So that was the post that was made. There is a recording that is going to follow this that Jennifer shared to Facebook. I will let you draw your own conclusions. I look forward to hearing what you think about the recording in the comments. I will clarify that the recording is a voice recording from a phone call and voicemails that Jennifer says that she received.
Answer the phone, you cunt! Answer the phone, you cunt! Fuck you whore! Keep around!
Hello.
Hey!
Hello.
Hey!
Can I help you?
Is this Jennifer?
It is.
Hey!
Yes.
I bet you don't know how to quit with people, do you?
Excuse me.
I bet you don't know how to quit with people, do you?
Who is this?
Your mama.
Okay.
How's Waylon?
She's great.
I bet he is. Keep on.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can.
I bet you smell like salmon.
Okay.
You gonna keep on with people. They gonna back.
Is there something you needed?
Oh yeah. You wanna mess with people? They gonna mess back.
Okay.
Keep it on.
Okay.
You're not as smart as you think you are.
Okay. Is there something else you wanted to say?
Oh, yeah, there's a lot I want to say.
Well, why don't you say it?
Oh, I will.
Okay. Let's hear it.
You think you're real smart.
That's all you have to say?
You're gonna find out otherwise.
Okay. How so?
Well, see, when your boyfriend Scott gets indicted,
Okay. Do you
and
mean
then your husband will be right behind it.
Oh, okay. Are you talking about Sheriff Finkbonner?
He ain't nothing right now. He's nobody.
Okay. Is there anything else you wanted to say?
Oh, yeah.
Let's hear it.
Keep it up, little girl.
And what? Hello? Hello? Are you there? Is there anything else you have to say?